Okay, for chapter 19, homework problem 9, I wanted to have a little bit more discussion around what we mean by series versus parallel. Um, and it's something that eventually you just sort of see when you look at a diagram if you do enough of these. All right, so series means if I go through one capacitor in this instance, I have to go through the next capacitor, right? These two are in series because I can't, if I go through this one, I have to go through the other one, right? If I look over here, we're going to look over here at these two, right? These two are in parallel, and they're in parallel because if I start here and I go to there, I can either go through this one or through that one, right? And it's only one step along the way, right? So, counterexample. This, oh, nope, let me redraw that. These two are not in parallel, right? They're not in parallel because, yes, I can go from this point to this point through this one without going through anything else. But when I go this way, I hit this one, and now I have to go through other things, right, to get back to this point if I'm following through the circuit. So how do you address this? All right, this problem, to approach it, you have to do things in steps, right? And those steps are the following. You have to do things like you take these, they're in series. You're going to combine them into one capacitor, right? You're going to combine them into just one capacitor. You're going to get what that total capacitance is. And it's like you erase this and you put that one new capacitor in its place. These two are in parallel, so you can combine them, right? And then it's going to be like you erase to those and you put in their place the one capacitor that is the total of these two capacitors, right? So these are in series, they add inversely. These are in parallel, they add directly. So now you have this is in series with this new capacitor over here, right? So you're going to combine them and put in their place one capacitor. Now what do you have? You have a circuit that has 1, 2, 3 capacitors that are all in parallel. You're going to combine them by adding them directly because capacitors in parallel add directly. And that's going to give you your total capacitance from the top to the bottom of this circuit, right, as one single capacitor. Hopefully that helps. Feel free to ask me more questions on Tuesday. We'll talk about it then. All right. Thank you.